In this video I'm going to show you how to install the game inZOI on your PC. So if you buy games at Steam, it can get really expensive, especially the latest ones. Plus downloading from random websites can lead to viruses and nobody wants that. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to install this game without overspending and keeping your PC safe. So the first step is to open your Google browser, and once you have done that, I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Now the next step is to locate this game on Steam first before we can proceed to another website to install it. So go to Steam and after that open the website and search for the game inZOI. As you can see, we found it over here. Now we select it and after that scroll a little bit down. As you can see, this game on Steam is €39.99. But don't worry, we got a little workaround for that. What you need to do is open the video description where it says find game here and click on that link. Then you will be redirected to this website. After that, search for the same game inZOI and then click on search. Now select the games on the left side and after that filter sort by price lowest first. And now you will find the same game for just €28.40 instead of €39.99. So click on the game and after that you can purchase this game through this website and you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps, a activation key or a Steam account to download this game and play it on your PC. And that is basically how you install inZOI on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!